Welcome to my allotment diary for the 5th week of August 2019. It's August bank holiday and the UK is experiencing the hottest bank holiday when traditionally everything shuts down, mainly the banks. The population goes to the coast for a paddle, either East Coast, Scarborough and Bridlington, or West Coast, Blackpool, Morecambe, or they could go to the Lake District, but other resorts are available. Leeds, where I come from, has 2 days for bank holiday Monday and Tuesday, which I think, I'm not sure, was before the bank holiday became statutory, and it fell on the same date as the Woodhouse Feast. Why it's called a feast, I've not got a clue. What I do know is troops have assembled on the moor since the Civil War in 1642, which is why one road is called Rampart Road. A large bonfire and the fair was always held on what is now called August Bank Holiday. And when we had cricket test matches, the Leeds match at Headingley was also scheduled for the Woodhouse Feast, and the Rugby League Cup final on the preceding Saturday at Wembley. So the cry around Leeds is, where are we going this bank holiday? Well, enough of this banter, because this Leeds loiner and his tykes are going to go to Wisborough Green. Huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow the house down. This is Bill. About 10 years ago, when my youngest daughter gained an allotment at Wisborough Green, and her timber greenhouse, which was in a sorry condition, required taking to the plot, we could only manage this in small sections. Bill, an established plot holder on the allotment, offered to transport this greenhouse free of cost, all in one go, and since then a lasting friendship has been established. Bill is a keen gardener, especially in growing vegetables to enter into this show, and this year it's been rumoured he had grown marrows that could audition for a remake of the Body Snatchers, and I wanted some tips on growing next season's onions. Therefore, let's get in that tent and let's see how he's got on. I counted Bill's entries and stopped counting on entry 43. There could have been more, but the tent was pretty well crowded with interested people pushing and shoving, and I basically wanted to view the onions and those marrows, but of those 43 entries, Bill gained 15 firsts, 15 seconds, 9 thirds and 4 not placed. We had a great day, a barbecue meal, the village show, a few pints at the local pub, the Cricketers' Arms, glorious sunshine, the hottest day on record, and the next day a lie-in and a general laze around. One event to be recorded was the return of one of my granddaughters. Recall last week I was not happy with my arrangements for the bow saw. What was in my mind was to turn it 90 degrees so the teeth would face the back of the box, giving some protection to one's hand, and also releasing a better useful area of space for other equipment. I've also stated this is a work in progress, to let usage dictate where the tools and equipment are actually positioned. It had started to rain and the main progress of work was to dismantle the profile set up to the position of the gate post. You may hear the pitter-patter of the rain bouncing off the camera. Returning home and in the comfort of the shed, I fashioned a turn button block to hold the panel saw adjacent to the bow saw. Later that evening, returning to the plot to secure the panel saw, which I believe turned out to be a good working solution. Next morning, opened up the toolbox and one can observe the access and ease of selecting tools is now improving. Time is still being lost in taking out and putting back the long handled tools, and a solution to that has still to be worked out. Work on putting on the chicken wire is required. Here we are at the end of the week, the end of the month, and the end of summer. Tomorrow is an official start of autumn. Just where does the time go? I hope you've enjoyed this week's Allotment Diary episode. Please do like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel. And when subscribing, please do remember to press on the little bell to get an alert every single time I upload a new video. Well, thank you very much for watching. Take care, and until next time, bye.